guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel! So, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and add a subtitle for your movie in your phones using the VLC app. So, I have another video tutorial for you to learn.
Okay.
This video, we're going to talk about subtitles. I think some of us likes to have a subtitle on the movies that we downloaded, so for us to be able to understand what they are saying or what the movie is all about. If the movie is in different language, of course, we need to have a subtitle. So, if you're interested in this video tutorial, then keep on watching. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay guys, first things first. Download a VLC app in App Store and in Play Store. Say. Then search the app VLC. Then this one is the VLC app that you need to download. Okay, tap the app and then download. If you can see install or get, you need to tap those. Since it's already installed in my phone, then I'm just go ahead straight to the app. But before that, you're gonna see what this app is all about. You can see here it's a media player. Straight ahead to app. Tap open the VLC app. Then as you can see, I already installed some movies and it's already have a subtitle. We need to download first a movie, so you know, and you can follow how to download a subtitle. Okay guys, I'm back. So after already downloaded the movie that I want to watch and I want to put a subtitle, so by the way, I downloaded the movie using the Documents by Riddle app as a downloader. So I'm going ahead to Files, and then I'm going to go ahead to Documents, this one, and then I'm going ahead to Downloads. Okay guys, we're gonna copy the movie first to the downloads. Okay, just tap and hold, and then this will show up. Just tap the copy. Okay, so next going to back and copy that to our downloads. So going ahead to on my iPhone and then downloads, and then in this blank area we're gonna copy the movie. So gonna tap and hold again and then paste, and then so to have a subtitle, we're gonna put a subtitle from WTF Detective Subtitle website or the UFI Subtitles. Okay, so I'm gonna search reminiscent English sub 2021. Okay, so I have two trusted website where you can download a subtitles for your movie. It's either the UFI Subtitles or this one, WTFdetective.com. So since there's no UFI subtitle website showing up, we're gonna choose the WTF Detective. Tap this subtitle here. So this movie is latest movie in 2021 starring Hugh Jackman. There's also in this movie starring Matt Damon. The title is Still Waters. And then scroll down, just scroll down, and then tap download reminiscent subtitles. So this one, I'm going to download the subtitles. Tap this one, just close the ad, and there will be pop up like this. So tap download. If you can see in this upper right corner here, the arrow down with the circle, so tap that one to see if the subtitles been downloaded, and then it is being downloaded, as you can see. So after that, we're gonna go back to files, and then our movie's been downloaded here. So to add the subtitle again, just gonna copy this one. Okay, just tap and hold, and then rename. Tap rename, and then make sure to select all like that, and then copy. Then click cancel, and then you see here the movie. We're gonna change the name and put the subtitle that we copy. Okay, just tap and hold again, and then rename. Then gonna delete this one, and then tap and hold and paste like that. After that, you're gonna click done. So the subtitle is already in the movie. So we're gonna move this one into our VLC app. So to move the subtitle in the movie, just gonna select, and then tap both, and then just go ahead to move the copy. So if you see in the bottom here in the center that looks like a file icon, tap that one, and then gonna open this one on my iPhone like that. And if you see VLC, then gonna choose VLC. So after you tap VLC, and then you see here move, then tap move like that. To check if it's working, again, let's go to VLC app, tap VLC app, and if you see there is new, means that the subtitle is being downloaded. So okay, we will gonna play and see if there is a subtitle. Just going to play a little bit a part of the movie so YouTube will not ban us or copyright our video. Okay, let's wait. Okay, and then it's just gonna forward.
We can give her a quick nudge.
Thank you.
You see, it's working.
And you saw
It's
yourself as well as
legit.
him, didn't you? Happens with everyone. Your turn to answer my question. Why?
And just stop right there. See?
Nice.
So before I'm going to end this video, I'm just ask you guys to please watch my other YouTube tutorials. I'm just going to leave the link in the description box below. So if you like today's video, hit thumbs up, comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to tap that notification bell button so you will be stay updated on my upcoming YouTube tutorials. See you!